Hey everybody, it's Jason at fireplaceblowersonline.com. Got another product we kind of want to just overview for you guys. This is a somewhat new product offering we've been working on. It is a gas kit. These are typically used, let's zoom in on the instructions here. These are Hearth Home, Quadra-Fire. It could be labeled as Heat and Glo. Take a look at the models there. But really nice dual convection ball bearing kit. You can see the blower here in the housing. Again, 100% ball bearing. Bearing brackets are sleeved and capped to protect it from any dust intrusion, which is a nice feature. What you'll find on the back of this, and it's going to be hard for me to see this, but you'll have some wires coming out of the back of the housing. 2 of those leads are allocated for the thermostat sensor. 2 of those leads are allocated for the rheostat. So installation of this is actually pretty straightforward. Follow the installation instructions for your model. They vary slightly from model to model, so you'll definitely want to kind of refer to the installation instructions. But let's walk through some of the other features. 3-prong grounded cord. That is the variable speed controller. There is a wall mount rheostat bracket included with it in the event you can eventually wall mount it. That is the rheostat knob. That is the temperature sensor. There's 12 screws, zip tie. There's some foam insulation padding that will be used in the kit as well. The bracket on the bottom is the installation bracket, so refer to the owner's manual. That's used on several of the models to actually properly mount it to the stove. So that actually gets mounted to the blower's housing first. You can actually see the series of kind of holes where that gets attached to in the back. And this odd looking thing is actually what they call a thermostat bracket. So this is actually foldable. So where you see these things perforated, you'll want to fold where needed. And then the temperature sensor, which is that guy right there, kind of pokes through that hole, and that gets mounted using the provided hardware to your stove. So that is the kit in a nutshell. And another precaution we kind of take, let's just kind of walk through the packaging. We actually use a 200 crush proof box, so this is how you're going to eventually get the package. So really nice corrugated box made here in Wisconsin. Foam, closed cell foam padding, inside and out, double packaged. That inner box also has like crushed paper and stuff to kind of hold everything. You're going to receive this with no damage. So we factory test and put all these kits together here in Racine, Wisconsin. And so if you've got any questions on it at all, give us a call, 262-989-4882, or email us at support@fireplaceblowersonline.com. And thank you very much. We appreciate your time.